Good morning everyone! Maayong buntag! Today is the faculty and staff Christmas party of Bohol Island State University, Tagbilaran City. All the faculty and staff in the different colleges and offices busy kaayo practicing their Christmas contest presentation for tonight's activity. Kami, mga taga CTE, College of Teacher Education, we have our first and last practice. Mao na ilang giingon, mao di ay pasayawon ta sa PE pag college nato kay magamit ra inig panarbaho. Now, we have our first and last practice and blocking also for the opening salvo. Lain sad ni nga impronto na sayaw for today's event, together with the admin, staff, and selected faculty. Grabe ang schedule guys, left and right ang sayaw nga walay praktisay, may na lang naanad ta nga ingani na style. Here we are guys, this is it. Mag-start na ang atuang Christmas Party 2024 at Bohol Island State University Activity Center. Ready na ang mga persons. Presenting now the opening salvo. We have also giveaways for the raffle. Mauman jud ni ato ang most awaiting moment, ang makadaog ta og 1 sack of rice. Nakadaog di ay ko og spaghetti with baunanan from Kasaligan Travel and Tours and Baisu. Thank you so much. And dili mawala ang picture sa mga friends guys. Merry Christmas everyone. Thank you for watching.